Now let's give it another rectangle. And the nice thing about the rectangle is that you can actually already start, maybe we can already start with this now, start giving it different formats, so you can already see how quickly you can change your decision. Basically, it's all decision making. It's decision after decision after decision after decision, all accumulating, and hopefully you end up with something that you can use later on. So, I already like this. So yeah, try to be inspired quickly. Go into the painting with an attitude of like, hey, it's easy to inspire me, and then you will find yourself having much quicker results, basically. And I also love to switch between the brushes, between like a soft brush and a hard brush. And it happens to be a tree. Okay, then it shall be a tree. Now you see what's happening? I'm already getting into the detail. It's almost mean how it tricks you into being like, hey, why don't you just like this leaf over there? Why don't you just start rendering? And you get like seduced into these states of detail, and you don't want to be there. You just want to get this through. So, I happen to select the wrong layer. No worries, we want to work rough here, so I merge the whole layers down. I'm having right now, I just merge them, keeping my selection. And by pressing Ctrl J, I have this layer separate now. It works fine. And I just make some room for another little selection. Should work. Just like that. Oops. Okay. I have no idea what I'm doing, which is like usually a good sign when this happens. Cancel. Like selecting the stuff here, giving it a dark gradient from above. Like you see, I'm just working with selections, just selecting, painting, selecting, painting. And you can just follow along. Whether you copy the painting, it absolutely does not matter. Just like really go with your intuition, or you have an idea, or while copying you experience something like, I can like give it another branch and make my own thing of it. Like that's perfect. Just go with what really aligns with your situation. Oh, and there I forgot to make this picture transparent. So yeah, that is it happened again. Like I just wanted to, you see there, I wanted to give it some detail.